You may want to share your location to your Snapchat friends. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add location to Snapchat story. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight to opening our Snapchat application. And from here, you can just take a random photo for your snap. So I'm just going to click on the shutter button right here. And first thing is we can add our location as a filter. So to do that, let's just swipe to the right. Swipe and until the location filters. So I currently have my location disabled on the Snapchat app. So if this option shows for you too, just click on enable, click on allow, and it will take you to the settings page. Now from here, you can click on location right here, and then we can click on while using the app or always. So I'm just going to click on while using the app so it will not drain my battery too much. And let's go back to the Snapchat application. And then we can swipe to the left again until the location filters. So if it does not show for you yet, we can go back to taking another snap and swiping to the right again. And then the location filter should pop up like that. Now you can also add your location through a sticker. So you can click on this sticker icon right above the scissors icon. And you should be able to see the location option right here. So tap on location. And you can click the place that pops up right here. Or you can also search the place that you are currently in like that, and then you can resize it, and you can also tap on the sticker to change its style like that, and then you can just add it to your story if you want. So that is how you can basically add location to Snapchat story. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.